This is a simple code sample for using Barousel. Getting the Barousel library is fairly simple. Just visit the Barousel official website and download the JavaScript file. Getting the CSS is a bit tricky, so I suggest just take a look at the page source and find the link for each one of the CSS files and just copy them into your web application, just as I did over here. Now let's take a look at the JavaScript code we should write. Before, we should place a div element that actually is where we want the Barousel to be displayed, and that div element should include a child div for listing the photos we want to display, another child for specifying the texts we want to be displayed above each one of the images, just to make sure they follow the same order, and the last div is for the navigation bar. On the bottom you can see that we use the $ function from jQuery. We just pass over the ID of the div element where we want the Barousel to be displayed, and we call the Barousel function. Here there are many options for configuring the Barousel library. You can of course find those options when visiting the Barousel official website. It has pretty detailed documentation for those options. In addition, you will also need to fix the CSS file to be in according to the size of your images. In my case, all images are 800 pixel width, 600 pixel height, so the navigation bar should be 800 pixel width, but not only the navigation bar, also the size of the all Barousel. It should be 800 pixel width, 600 pixels height, because these are the exact dimension for my photos. Now here is a very simple usage. As you can see, the texts displayed on bottom are in according with the photo, just because I keep the same order in my code. 5 photos, 5 texts. As you can see, we can use various CSS classes that were already created for us in Barousel CSS file, but we can also invent new ones, and this is it.